This is 4x4 shop. Today we install interface to add a backup camera and CarPlay function to a BMW 3 Series 2014. As you can see, we add a backup camera that's OEM fit on the trunk handle. And now we go to backup camera. It's turning the guideline. Also can read the factory sensor. Go to drive, and you can back to the main menu. Go to reverse. Have the turning guideline too. So also on this interface, we add on a CarPlay functions by pressing the menu button on the iDrive. Press and hold. Then you can go to our CarPlay screen. And you can do CarPlay on iPhone, Android, mirroring and mirroring functions, and play video and music from USB. So we can take a shot on this, because this one is using auxiliary as an output. So we can go to the factory and turn on the auxiliary. Different kind of song from USB stick, and also you can play video from the USB as well. So let me introduce the CarPlay function on these systems. And unplug the USB. Plug the iPhone cable. Then you have CarPlay function on that. Then you can play music from your phone. You can use map. You can read message. You can call. And you can add tune-in radio. You can do Spotify on the CarPlay. If you're interested on this interface, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day.